Hey guys, thanks for stopping by the channel. If this is your first time here, what I do here is I go over exactly how I make money online, how I've been successful with digital marketing and affiliate marketing. And I know if you're looking into myEcon or me or the funnel team or anything to do with digital marketing, I want to go over with you all of the videos out there that show you what myEcon is and tell you what we're doing here are all like 30 to 40 minutes long. So I wanted to put out a condensed version very quick, what we do with myEcon, what myEcon is, and how we make money at it. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that bell. If this is your first time here, I go over all this different kind of stuff with myEcon and what we do and everything involved with it. Now, without further ado, let's get into it, like everyone says. Okay, guys, so first, what you have to understand is digital marketing, affiliate marketing. If you know what it is, go ahead and fast forward through this part. If you don't, then pay attention because I'm going to go over very quickly, very condensed, very layman's terms, what affiliate marketing is. You get a link to a product or service. When somebody purchases through that link, you get a portion of the sale, right? So that's, in a nutshell, real quick, that's what it is. Now, digital marketing is no different. It's the same thing, but with digital products. Okay. So instead of having a physical, product like this or a physical product like this, we are advertising, we are marketing digital products. myEcon is a personal financial company. They have all these different products that help people make and save more money. Okay. So some of the main ones I'll just touch on very quickly. The credit repair system. That's initially the only thing that I joined for. I ended up using the travel membership after I started making money. I travel a lot more now, so I use this to save even more money. The ID Defender, I use this to monitor because I do a lot of stuff online. It monitors all of my information that I put online. Debt elimination, I use this when I needed to use the credit repair system. It breaks down your debt and how to pay it off quicker. Taxes, of course, we all have to use those. I use these budgeting and cash flow management stuff. I use all of these products. They all make and save me money. But what you want to realize is whenever you join myEcon, whenever you're a member of myEcon, you get access to all of these products, right? So you join for these products if you need them. If you don't need them, you don't have to use them, but you want to have access to them so you can familiarize yourself with these products. That way you can market them. You want to market something that you actually know about, right? So if I'm going to go out there and I'm going to market these products, obviously I'm going to want to know what they are and what they do. So these are the products that you get access to when you join myEcon, right? Now, you also get access to the affiliate program. They give you links to each one of these products that you can market, or they give you a link to the business side of it. Every member of myEcon has access to this affiliate program. They give you a link that you can share out there for the whole package or individual products. It's way easier to market the entire package. That's why you see everybody out here talking about, make money with myEcon, do affiliate marketing with myEcon, because that's how you build the residual income, the passive income, when you build that team of people that you're getting a portion of their sales. I know network marketing, multi-level marketing, everybody views that as a terrible thing, but it isn't. I have another video on my channel. You can look at pyramid scheme, multi-level marketing. It goes over that whole thing. Multi-level marketing is not bad. It's how everybody is nowadays making passive income. Okay. So whenever you get access to this affiliate program, you advertise these links. Now, if you join myEcon just through myEcon, or if you join myEcon through another team, you're going to have to go out there and get your own sales pages, your own capture pages, your own funnels, your own email responders. You're going to have to go out there and get all the marketing materials that you're going to use by yourself. If you join through me, the funnel team, you get a completely free, 100% included with your membership marketing system. It's an entire front-end marketing system. You get capture pages, sales funnels, marketing materials, email sequencing, email auto responding. You get all of this stuff and a completely free done-for-you business app to manage all of your leads, all of your training, and everything. We give you daily live trainings. You get over 1,000 pieces of pre-made content that you can just download and repost. So that's all the stuff that you get when you join through me. As a member of myEcon, you get the free marketing system up front that you can market this business with. And in a nutshell, that's what this is. Now you can watch the longer video that I have in the playlist that I'm going to link right here. The final video is going to go over the cost of absolutely everything. It's going to break down everything that you would have to spend ever with this system, which isn't very much. So you need to check it out, but check out that final video in this playlist right here. I want to make this as short as possible. In a nutshell, that's what it is. If you want a more detailed explanation, watch the second video in this playlist or watch through the entire thing. It's going to break absolutely everything down for you. Put it on double speed though, if you want to. You can go through it pretty quick. It's pretty self-explanatory. It's very easy. It's very cheap and you can make a lot of money with it. I guarantee it. In that video, you'll see how I can do that. Check it out. I'll see you out there.